Mitsubishi Evolution. Half of the X is gone, so it's not really 9, but something. Yeah, anyway, bad jokes aside. Bad jokes, but very good car and very good drive, I would say. So, EVO 9 with a couple of mods. Yeah, yeah, we have, of course, a big exhaust, because JDM, because you have to. And mud flaps, because rally, obviously. It doesn't have a rally art logo, so you're missing out. But otherwise, it's on semi-slicks of Accelera. It's not the grippiest tire, so it was a bit of understeer here and there, but overall, yeah, quite okay. DS2500 on the back, right?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
And
Carbotech XP8
on the front, and then also quite some tuning under the bonnet, because it's doing, yeah, let's have a look at it, because back in the days when you could still see an engine and not just an engine cover. The 4G GTV something, I forgot the name.
RG60.
Yeah, that one.
That's the
exactly. One. Yes. Yeah. Do not touch. Very important sign, especially now after the lap. It's very hot.
I think I'll let it cool.
Yeah, let it cool down. Yeah, 430 horsepower, as I mentioned. Got a nice turbo over there.
Nice big intercooler.
Yeah, big intercooler, so it actually continued to produce the power that was claimed. It didn't die, it didn't overheat. So very good, very happy. So oh yeah, you said KWs.
Yeah.
Suspension. Yeah. And yeah, I'm sure some mods here and there, some
stiffening, underbody stiffening, etc. A few little bits and pieces, yeah.
And that's kind of it. And everything works as it should. Fantastic car, fantastic drive. Was pretty empty lap. Yeah, I guess have fun, enjoy the lap. Not much more to say. When everything's so good, epic. Alright. Traction control non-existent?
Nope.
Perfect.
None of that shit in here, mate.
Yeah. Alright. behind us.
Yeah, very close call in, wasn't it? That's a bit sketchy, isn't it?
Yeah.
What do you think of the tyres? Any good? Aren't shite.
Probably, yeah.
That's what's next, I think. Isn't it?
for what the car can do.
Yeah.
But everything else works. I mean, the power stayed the same. It stays pretty hot, so it didn't go in limp mode. So mapping is good. Brakes are good.
I think.
Missing a bit of initial bite.
Yeah.
But when you press them harder, they actually work
Yeah,
as well.
yeah.
So all of that is good.
Yeah, maybe need a little bit more aggressive pad, maybe an XP10s or something next time.
Yeah.
But I think I'll get some when these wear down. But
Yeah.
and maybe some better tyres or something, yeah.
But everything's working, so that was good fun.
Alright, yeah.
Very, very nice.
They're just a good, fun, average car, aren't they? You know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, awesome. Thanks for the